Hello and welcome to our new series called The Harvest. On this series, you will be accompanying me as I walk around Ananda, harvesting some of the fruit and the vegetables that we've planted ourselves and are now ready for harvest. So through this, I hope to share with you a love of growing your own food and give you the same pleasure that we do when we pick food from our gardens and have those nutritious meals to nourish our bodies. So come along with me. Let's go on The Harvest episode 1. Okay, so this is a little bit small, like it still fits into my hand. My rule with brinjal usually is that it should be a little bit bigger than my hand, otherwise it's too small to pick. But I can see one there which seems to be ready. So here are some red chilies. I'm going to be picking out a lot of them to make some Tabasco, some hot Tabasco sauce at home. And of course we also dry these chilies for chili powder. I have some Italian basil which I'm going to just pick out. I don't want the ones with the flowers. Basically I'm just trying to get the leafy bunches. That's what's going to be ideal to make some pesto sauce tonight. A few sprigs of parsley. This is quite strong, so we don't want too many of them, just a few. And it's a great ingredient. So fresh smelling. Great ingredient if you're going to make something like baba ganoush, but also to be used in salads. There's a lot of star fruit growing here. It's not fully ripe, but I'm going to take just a little bit to put into my salads. Okay, here we have a lot of tiny bengans. They taste great when they are stuffed and cooked. So I'm going to be picking a lot of these today. Some coriander, I have to pick much more for garnishing. So it's lovely to have fresh dhania from your own garden. Fresh moolies to be had for salad or mooli ke paranthe taste awesome during the winter season. The trick with all the leafy vegetables is that you keep picking the leaves from the outside and new leaves keep emerging from the inside. That's how the plant keeps growing. So just be careful not to break the center of the plant. Always take the leaves from the outside. So this is some nice crunchy lettuce. We've really been enjoying it with dal roti or in sandwiches or as a salad by itself. You know, it's like got a lot of versatility and fits into any meal of any sort. lovely and delicious bok choy, also known as I think Chinese cabbage. Great to chop and just saute with some olive oil, garlic and soya sauce. It's absolutely delicious and of course very, very nutritious. This is some lovely Thai basil. It's just awesome in Thai curries or any Thai food of any sort. Very, very aromatic and absolutely flavorful. Here is some wonderful zucchini again. Great for tossing with olive oil, just chopping and eating. बहुत ही बढ़िया स्वाद है इसका. The fresh and the flavorful. You can tell that it's filled with nutrients. So looking forward to that. Some beautiful cherry tomatoes, just the right tomato for your salad. You can toss it into a salad, eat it just like that. We love to just drizzle them with olive oil, some salt and pepper and just have them like that as a snack. Spinach has the same principle of harvesting as any other leafy plant. Always pick the big leaves from the outside, leave the center so that more new leaves can grow out of that. It's pretty easy to pick. It takes a little bit of time to finish your field, but you don't need any tools, any implements. You can just sort of snap it. And the more you do it, the better you get. That's a big papaya. Just what I need for my fruit. If you liked this episode 1 of The Harvest, do leave your comments and let us know. And that will inspire us to make more such videos about the harvest at Ananda. Thank you for watching.